Hey you. Hey you. He's excited. Hey you. Come on. Keep going.
Oh, there he is. There's 3.
Oh. Right? Come on. Come on. Come to mommy. Don't dance.
What's going on? Nothing that
Good
concerns
boy!
Okay. Yay!
Took out a dozen last week.
So you called me in here.
Hey!
Evening red. We're just
Sounds
showing up
fun.
a hunting party.
Yay!
I'll be safe in a big group.
Come on.
Ludicrous.
Ah. What are you doing, Dad?
They're not wearing red.
Come on, baby.
They're damn fools.
No, no, no. Walk, walk, walk. Walk for me, walk. Yay! Yay! Come on, my love.
I hope they kill the wolf.
Come here, baby. Oh, you cheater.
I want to roam around the woods with that wastrel Peter.
Like, come on, I did it once.
He works hard. He has plans.
Oh, I am sure he does.
Yeah.
So big.
You know what to do.
What was that?
He's getting excited.
Come on.
Yes, Granny.
What was that? Yeah. Hey! Yes! Come here. You're getting crazy. You got excited. You started walking and now you don't know how to act. Look at him. He's like, yeah, I did it. I did it. Come here, baby. Hey, come to mom. Come on. Show off. Whoop. Dad scooped him up real fast.
None of that sounds good.
You alright? Working out those tummy muscles over there?
If I wanted to punish you, I'd have better laws. For one thing,
Ah.
for another thing, Eliza, you dress like a drag queen during Fleet Week.
And you just
Careful, you're about to run on you again.
like
I know. That's it. New nickname, Speedy Gonzalez. That's it. He's gonna be off. Come here.
Well, I am
Hi.
not it, Granny. I
Hi.
should be out there.
He wanted to walk to Dorothy. It was all you, woman.
What?
It was all you.
I didn't here.
Come on, big boy! Come on, good boy! Come on!
He's like, you're not catching up, Dad. He likes the clickers.
I'll get the shutters and go check this out.
Come on!
Chickens along.
Okay.
That's him.
Good guy.
Lower your hood.
Do it like this. No, no,
That was Chris's penguin walk.
no! Yeah, Chris was walking with him today. Everybody's trying to get him to walk. Go, buddy, go. Oh, you like one? Good boy. Oh!
No. Forgot that step was there. Bring him back this way. Bring him back this way.
He jumped before. He really did. His feet came off the ground.
It was just that
Your little feet go. Come here, crazy.
Twinkle toes!
I heard it.
Come here, crazy.
What are you doing before? He was like going like this.
Good. Babe, grab him this glass over there.